play Pocket Camp. I have an upgraded camp, so because I've been playing this a lot. So you guys are gonna kick out. So you guys are gonna like check out my. Huh? I'm not. I'm on mine. Like, so we're gonna do this. Yeah, as you guys can see, there's music in the background. Yeah, I just thought it was a start. I know this already. Okay. Ooh, I got a new bus. As you guys can see.
What's today? Wednesday?
Okay. Guys, I'll make a part 2 tomorrow. Part 2 tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys.